Google has announced the new Fitbit Air, its first screenless fitness tracking band to rival the Whoop tracker. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The Fitbit Air is the first product to launch since the Fitbit Charge 6 in 2023, and it comes with a major overhaul of the Fitbit app, which is becoming Google Health. The Fitbit Air is a pebble-shaped device packing all of the sensors you'd expect from a modern wearable to track your workouts, activity, and sleep. It includes 24/7 heart rate tracking and alerts you to potential atrial fibrillation along with sleep score algorithm, which is now 15% more accurate than previous models. It's basically designed to work with the new Google Health app and its Google Health Coach, which works using Gemini AI. The Google Health Coach will store all of your various health information, ranging from sleep quality to fitness and even cycle health to offer advice on how to approach your day. You can also chat with the coach to ask for things like tips about workout or sleep. Other sensors include oxygen saturation monitoring, a 3-axis accelerometer and gyroscope, and a device temperature sensor. Google's also taking care of the aesthetics with a slew of different band colors and styles fit for the purpose. There are 3 types of bands available: the woven performance loop, a silicone active band, and the classier modern elevated band. Each type is available in several colors, ranging from lavender to berry, fog, or obsidian. The Fitbit Air can run up to a week, and you can get a day's worth of battery life in just 5 minutes. To get the most out of the Fitbit Air, Google is including a 3-month Google Health Premium subscription, which usually costs $9.99 per month for customers who pre-order. The Fitbit Air is compatible with both Android and iOS and is available to pre-order for $99.99 from May 26th, while the Fitbit Air Special Edition, designed with Steph Curry, is also available for pre-order at $129.99 and is set to hit stores on May 26th. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.